Hey, this is Arlene. So anyways, I'm recording the frequency. Just basically recording outside the direction of where the frequencies are coming. And I'm doing it on Periscope. But I went back to listen to it. And I picked these noises up. Watch. And I have my air conditioning off. Just the radio you hear in the background. So there's no real noise. So it's just like this. Let me get to it. First, the lights go off and on. It's weird how I don't hear it, but the iPhone picks it up. And that's a transistor radio I have on. So there's no Bluetooth on or anything like that while this is going on. So I thought that was kind of interesting.